On this wide beam boat, living family of 5, they're living completely off-grid. It has solar panels on the roof. In the front we have an entrance where is the engine bay as well inside. Once you enter, you have a kitchen. A kitchen with all off-grid system right here, lithium batteries. It's running off the grid, has diesel heater system. Right there is a washing machine, kitchen with farm sink. It has a filter system so you can safely drink water. Oven, huge fridge and freezer. Living room with 2 sofas, large TV, dining table. Behind these doors is a hallway to the kids' room, bunk bed for kids. In the future it will be 3 beds here and the wardrobe. Behind these barn doors you have a bathroom with a full-size bathtub, flushing toilet. There is a black tank and a 500-liter water tank. Here is a AC unit, below is a vacuum cleaner robot. Here is a king-size bed with a kitty. There is a wardrobe on each side and one more room, which at the moment is just like a storage and slash office space. Watch the full tour on the second channel where we talk and explain everything what is on this boat. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.